Has this ever happened to you? What am I gonna wear today? Is this clean? Do I have any clean shirts? I've bought so many things this trip. I wonder how I'm gonna get them all home. And all these brochures and tickets. I hope I'll have time to put them in a scrapbook when I get home. Wait. Where's my passport? Where's my passport? Hello everybody! Welcome back to Happy Travels TV. Today I'm going to show you 5 things that I always travel with, and I hope that it can make your travel life easier. So the first thing is packing cubes. You can put all your clothes in there and then in your suitcase so you can stay organized when you're traveling. These ones are very lightweight, so they don't add any weight to your suitcase, but they keep you organized. When you get ready in the morning, you can always find your clothes and get ready faster. The next thing is a seat pack. So it has many zippers, and this one even has some pockets where you can put like credit cards or things like that. And one big pocket at the back. It expands quite far, so you can get quite a lot of stuff in here. So I really like this one because when you're on the plane, you can put your phone, your earbuds, your passport, lip balm, anything you need during the flight, and have it in the seat pocket in front of you. And then you don't forget anything when you leave the airplane. Then when you're on your trip, when you get to your destination, you can put everything that you need to have in here. One day you use a purse, the next day you're using a backpack. You can switch it from one to the other. Next thing is a foldable suitcase. So this is really great if you think you're going to buy a lot of things. So you can take a smaller suitcase, put this inside, then on your way back, you just have 2 suitcases. This one is great. It has the instructions for how to refold it. The next one is a little strange. It's polysporin. So this is antibacterial cream. Most of the time when I travel, I like to take only what I know I will use all the time. If it's something I might use, I like to just buy that on the road if I need it. But if it's something like this that you think maybe I won't be able to explain what I want in the other country, even if you know the language, sometimes it can be pretty hard to explain exactly what you need. If it's something really special like this, then bring it. And the last thing is a notebook. So this notebook is a traveler's notebook. It's a brand of notebook, but you could use any notebook. If you like to make scrapbook of your trip when you get home, I find it's much easier to do it when you're traveling. So every day, just put in your tickets or whatever you have, glue them into a notebook. When you come home, it's done. This one is really nice. The cover is leather. You can use it again and again and again. I've used it many times already. It looks almost new. And then you buy the inserts. You can get this kind of thing where you can write different days. You can also get a blank one. You can get ones with thick paper or thin paper. You can get like a plastic pocket. So there's elastics in the middle that you can put everything together. I've put up to 3 notebooks plus sticky notes and the plastic pocket in at one time. There are links to all these travel items in the description box below this video. Click on any of them and you will find the item on Amazon. Some of the items, like the foldable travel bag and the packing cubes, are a little different from the ones in the video. So I hope my 5 travel things have helped you. And if you have any travel tips, please tell us about it in the comments below. And if you like this video, click the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Happy Travels TV. Thanks for watching. See you next time.